Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the runtime error 3048 cannot open anymore database. And this error typically occurs in Microsoft Access when an application has reached its limit of open database connections. And some possible reasons behind this runtime error code 3048 include incompatible programs, internet connections drops, outdated graphic driver, faulty MS Office update, incomplete installations of MS Access, and database is stored at untrusted locations. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair or reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. And all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And once you open up this Windows settings, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select apps and then click. And on right side, and then you need to click this installed apps. And under at installed apps, and you can see here the search apps. And then next step, then you need to type this keyword visual. And you can see now that we have 9 apps found about Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. And then select up one of them. So any of them, then you can select and modify. So all you have to do is to select this 3 dot on right side. So click. And then next step, then you need to click this modify. And if you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then pop up this modify as setup. And the next step, then you need to click this repair. And wait to complete the processings, initializings, and diagnostic process. And then you can see now that setup successful, and then we need to restart, and then we need to close. And the other Microsoft Visual C that we need to modify, and then click again here the 3 dot, and then select modify. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And here at modify setup, and again you need to click this repair and wait to complete the processings, initializings, and diagnostic process. Alright, so you can see now that setup successful, and then we need to close. And the other solution that we need to do is to clear the system junk files. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type the CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and the next step, then we need to type this command keyword clean mgr. So just type this command keyword clean CLEN and mgr, that is one word, and then press enter. And then you can see this pop-up notifications, this cleanup and drive selections. So select the drive you want to clean up, and then click this arrow, and then select which drive you want to clean up, and then select, and then click OK. Alright, so scanning, and then pop up again this cleanup for Acer, and then you need to select those files to delete, and then click OK. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close, and here at start menu, and then click restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix runtime error 3048 cannot open anymore a database. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.